In this tutorial, I'll show you how to make these smooth after effects like speed ramps in DaVinci Resolve 19. First step of this effect is to get a banging song for your edit. Once that's covered, go through the song and mark beats by pressing M on your keyboard. After that, get your clips and place them on the timeline. Open the clip in Fusion page. Find Tracker. Place the tracker on a high contrast point on the car. This will make the tracking more accurate. Change adaptive mode to best match and track the clip. Click on Operation and change the operation mode to Match Move, then change Merge to Background Only. Find Transform. Add a keyframe on the beginning and the end. Position the clip on the last keyframe so there are no transparent edges visible. Now scale the video a little. Now the clip should be stabilized. Go back to the editing page and make a new compound clip. Cut the clip on the first beat mark. Go back to the Fusion page, but now find Time Stretcher. Make sure there is a keyframe on the first frame. Move to the end and adjust the source time to anything you like. Good. Open Spline window and select Source Time. Click on this small icon so the whole graph is visible. Highlight both of the points and press S on your keyboard to smooth out the graph. Make the graph similar to mine. Next, I'll show you how to make a smooth boomerang speed ramp. Open the clip in the Fusion page and find Time Stretcher. Make a keyframe in the middle, the beginning, and the end. Go back to the middle keyframe and adjust source time to your liking. Open Spline window and highlight the points. Press S to smooth them out. Copy the look of my graph to get similar result. Now for the one last thing that will make your speed ramps infinitely smoother. Combine all of the clips into one new compound clip, open it in the Fusion page. Find Optical Flow, and after that, find Vector Motion Blur. Change the scale to 0.3. That's basically it.